Hey guys, today we are going to do a product review for MIDAS Silver Tarnish-Off from Rio Grande. Before we get started, we need to think about safety. So that means long sleeves, gloves, and safety goggles. Also, make sure your workspace is clean and clutter-free. It looks like this was packed well. It's double bagged, and it has absorbent pellets in case it leaks during shipment. You can pause the video here if you would like to read the directions and the safety warnings. Basically, we'll be dipping our silver into the solution, rinsing with water, and then letting them dry. Make sure you always read the safety warnings of chemicals like these, and take proper precautions. So I put down a paper towel in case I have any spills, but the first thing I notice as I'm opening this is the horrible smell. I absolutely do not recommend doing this indoors. So as soon as I get this seal off, I'm putting the lid back on and I'm going outside. It is a bit windy out here today, but that's a good thing. It'll carry the fumes away from me. So check out this first piece. There is a lot of tarnish I can see on the inside of these chain links. So let's dip it in. I'm going to rotate it to coat the whole chain and then give it a rinse. It works pretty good. It looks like it removed all of the tarnish. Alright, let's move on. This piece is the oldest piece I made that I still have, and it is very tarnished. So this one will be a really good test. It did a pretty good job removing the tarnish, but I think it's gonna need a little bit more cleaning. If you don't want to deal with harsh chemicals to clean your silver jewelry, check out my previous video on how to clean sterling silver using household items. I'll leave a link to this video in the description. This ring was a little more difficult to dunk, but as you can see, it still did a good job. This last piece is from a previous video. If you want to see how I made this sea glass leaf pendant, I'll leave a link in the video description. So as you can see, this product did a great job removing the tarnish as advertised, but I cannot recommend this for household use. If you're looking to clean your personal silver jewelry at home, use a polishing cloth or check out the other video I mentioned before. If you would like to see more product review videos, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe and check out my channel for more project videos. Thanks for watching!